Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the third video in what I'm calling landscape prep or landscape planning for the backyard at this new house that I moved into. The first video was about soil testing. The second video was painting the lines on the ground for the layout of the paths and patio and that kind of thing, what's bed, what's not. This third video, I'm actually putting out this organic humus or compost on all the spaces that are going to be planted in the future. I'm going to use a generous amount of this product here. This is a company called Soil Cubed. I've had these 2 bags for a few weeks now. It's been in some Instagram photos I've done, and I've used it to plant the few things that I've planted in the yard so far. I'm going to be just putting a generous layer of this on the ground, and then it will get incorporated as I plant in the future. This is a really beautiful compost here that will do several things for me. One, it's going to hold moisture in place. I'll have to do less watering. It's great for increasing drainage in clay soils, and I do have heavy clay soils in this backyard. Using compost like this will reduce the amount of fertilizer I'm having to use. And so there's a lot of benefits from it. It's going to increase the microbial activity in the soil, which is great for helping with disease issues potentially, and also making nutrients available as well for plants, because a lot of times nutrients can just flat out be locked up. And so a lot of benefits to it, and I just want to go ahead and just spread it out here and have it in place, and then I'm going to be mulching and pine strawing over the top. I'm just going to pull my mulch or pine straw back in the next few weeks as I plant through the winter, and as I dig holes, this will get incorporated into the ground. That's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to just use my gorilla cart, and these are plastic bags. I'm just going to cut down the side of it, put my gorilla cart right next to it, and push it in there. It really works well with a flat shovel, really well with a flat shovel. You can see how loose this material is in this bag. It's been sitting on my driveway for 2 or 3 weeks, and it's still this workable, without having done anything to it beforehand. I've got some pansies and some ornamental cabbage and kale that I'm going to be putting in some pots out here on the front porch, and at that time we'll show you how I use this compost and incorporate it into some bark and make my own potting mix for that as well in the next week or 2. But for today, I'm just going to be spreading this out, and I'll put the drone up a couple times and let you see how it looks down on the ground. So that didn't take long at all. I did not do this area that's over here because all the debris piles are there. All that stuff needs to be chipped up. I still have about a half a bag of compost. Thanks very much to Soil Cubed for participating in this video. This material is really fantastic, and if you're in the North Carolina, Georgia, South Carolina area, I'll link their website down below. If you're not, see if there's something in your area that's similar. Putting down this compost to start with here is definitely going to save me a lot of time and thinking as I go forward planting the rest of this winter and next spring. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope it's very interesting from the drone perspective.